All right, so we'll continue where we stopped. Now insert. Now that the database is ready for us, all the tables structure is completed. We have created the tables in the database travel. Now to insert data to the airport table, we want to start with the airport table. We click on the airport table here. Okay. If you click on the browse toggle button, this is showing you, as you can see. So the browse only shows whatever is in the table airport in here. So it shows you that it's an empty table. So browse shows you what's inside the table. We're going to click on SQL in order to insert, as the title says, insert data to table airport. So this is very simply, you write your SQL queries in here. Okay, so we're going to insert into, this is the structure of this SQL statement, into airport, into the fields code, name, and city, the following values. As you can see, integer values are put without quotations. However, string values are put with single quotes. Okay, so in here we have 3 insert statements. We should have 3 rows or records created in the table. So we finish this and we click on go. This will, when you click on go, I will have this as the result of the query. Of each query line, you can see that you have 1 row inserted. Okay. So, and these are the values that were inserted. In order to see the table, all we have to do is, while clicking on airport, we click on, we go to the toggle button browse, which is very simple. Browse, and it will show me the table of airport. Okay, so this is the newly inserted data, the 3 rows that we have inserted. So why can I see them? Because I have this select star. Star means everything from the airport table, of course. Okay, let's continue with some. So we're going to start with this data. We're going to build up in the database more data. But for now, on this data, let's do some simple queries, the data that we have entered. Okay. So in here, if we select star from airports, it is the select statement. Okay, you can have the same one done with the browse toggle button. But pay attention that you could have put single quote enclosed the name of the airport between single quotes, but for simplicity, you can in SQL. You click on go, and this is actually the result of this query, is that it shows you the table of airport, everything, all the columns of the airport table. Simple stuff. If you want to project only on code, so we select code from airport, and it should show me, when I click on go, it should only show me the code of the code column. So I only have the code column of the table airport. Also simple stuff. Okay, the where clause. Okay, so we select star from airport to where code equal to this value, and again it's an integer value, no quotes. Okay, and code also no quotes. I advise you not to use quotes for simplicity later on when we write our SQLs inside strings in the application software. Okay, and this is actually the output. As expected, we only output 1 record, that of Los Angeles, and we select star. So star, which means everything. Okay, so every column of airport where the code was 3451. So it's showing me this here. As you can see, no codes. That's select star. Okay, star means everything where the code is 3451, but in my case, I only have 1 record with this value. I would advise you to go ahead and enter more and more data to the tables. Let me see. Let's have this as an assignment for next week. That each one of you would enter more data into the database, okay, and try these SQL statements. Another one is the update statement. When we update, this means that we are changing. So we have to specify in which table. So update airport. Usually update is followed by set. So set code equal 1212 instead of that's where the where clause code equal 3451. So update airport set code this new value where the code was this old value. Okay, and we have to click on the go here somewhere. Okay, and then we'll have the code updated, and if we browse it, if we show everything in airport, we click on browse, we will see that the code field has been updated. I believe that's it for this time. It took me time to develop these PowerPoint in order to have you all acquainted with this environment, the one that we'll be using. And as soon as possible, we'll provide you with more and more lectures on SQL. You are all encouraged. I'm not having any interaction with you, so you are all encouraged to log in with your Google accounts to YouTube, and then subscribe to my channel. And please write your comments, your questions, what you think, anything that's on your mind. Please don't hesitate to have it publicly communicated with me, and I'm going to be responding to all your inquiries, and we're going ahead with our course. Okay, so this part of the course now we're going to give time for SQL, after which we'll move on with more sophisticated also topics. And as I told you, I want you all to work on this software. Okay, and you should know that the Bitnami is used by many administrations and enterprises out there because of its lightweight web browser application, and because of the integration that they have with PHP. And it's going to be easy for you to develop your project later on in this course. Okay, so again, any questions, please write them in the comments below, and I will be responding to all the inquiries. And that's it, and I will update you with the new lectures as soon as they're out.